Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to Cracko video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about the placement report of the MBA 2021 batch of IIM Indore. IIM Indore has announced the closure of the placements for their PGP 2021 batch. So first we'll look at the placement highlights and then we'll look at the batch profile, and also we'll be discussing about the selection criteria of IIM Indore so that you'll have an idea of how to get into IIM Indore. So let's get started. So firstly, let's look at the placement highlights. The total number of companies that have participated in the placement season this year are more than 210. So recruiters from across the country as well as from international companies participated in this year's placement cycle. So the highest CTC this year was 41.5 lakh per annum, and this is the highest domestic CTC. And if you look at the highest international CTC, it was 56.8 lakh per annum. And if you look at their average CTC, it's 23.6 lakh per annum. And according to the official website, this is a 3% increase from the previous year's average CTC. The average CTC of the top 100 students is 33 lakh per annum. And finally, if you look at the median CTC of IIM Indore, so it was 22.6 lakh per annum. So they had a great placement season this year with average CTC being 23 plus lakhs. And if you look at the domain wise offers, so as we can see, the finance sector included the highest offers with 24%, and next we have sales and marketing domain which included 23% of the offers, and then we have the consulting domain with 22% of the offer, and then general management and operations with 20% of the total offers, and finally we have the IT and the analytics with 11% of the total offers. So the roles were offered in various domains, and these are the major domains from which there were offers. So companies from the BFSI sector, automobiles, consulting, FMCG, energy, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and so on. So companies from various sectors were involved in recruitment this year. And some of the top most companies like HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Morgan Stanley, Asian Paints, Enphase Energy, Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Marico, Amazon, Ernst & Young, Infosys Management Consulting, McKinsey and Company, Tata, Wipro, and so on. So a lot of companies were involved in recruitment, and as mentioned earlier, more than 210 companies were involved in recruitment this year. Right, now coming to the batch profile at IIM Indore for the MBA 2021 batch. So this 2-year full-time MBA program consisted of students from diverse backgrounds, and firstly if we look at the program fees, it was around 17 lakhs, and the number of participants in this 2021 batch was 472. And the participants of females among the batch was 42%, and the percentage of males was 58%. And this was the undergraduate specialization of the batch. So as we can see, there are students from diverse background. We have 8% of the students from accounting and finance background, 8% from the chemical, 5% from the civil, 8% commerce background, computer science background students were 12%, economics, electrical. Next we have electronics, IT, and then we have mechanical and automobile, and then we have students from mechanical and automobile background, 16%, and then we have students from these other areas as well. There were also a lot of students with work experience. So if we can see, 19% of the students in the batch had a work experience of less than 1 year, and 34% of the students had work experience between 1 to 2 years. Then we have 33% of the students with 2 to 3 years, and students with more than 3 years of work experience was only 14%. And the average months of work experience of the students of this batch was 23 months. So this was the work experience of the batch. So here also we had students who had diverse work experience. So we had students from automobile, banking, consulting, e-commerce, manufacturing, FMCG, IT, real estate, pharma, and other sectors. So this was a sector-wise work experience of the latest batch. And finally, let's look at the selection criteria of IIM Indore. So what is the selection criteria based on which parameters? So if we see, so basically IIM Indore has a 3-stage selection process. In the first stage, they shortlist the candidates based on their CAT scores. These are the minimum required cutoffs to shortlist the candidates. If you see, these are the cutoffs for the general category 80, 80, 80, niche section, and overall 90. And these are the cutoffs for the EWS category students 80, 80, and 90. And then next we have the NCOBC candidates 70, 70, 70, 80, and these are the cutoffs for SC, ST, and PWD categories. And then in the stage 2 of the selection process, Once the candidates are shortlisted based on their CAT score, the stage 2 of the selection process happens based on CAT score and also your past academics. So as we can see in the stage 2, the CAT score is given only a 20% weightage. Your 10 score and 12 scores matters a lot when it comes to IIM Indore. So as we can see, 10 score is given a weightage of 34% and 12 score is given a weightage of 40%. That is huge. So this itself makes 74% of the total weightage. And then finally we have the diversity factor which is given 6% weightage. And after the stage 2, finally we have the stage 3 selection process. So here the CAT score is again given only 20% weightage, and here also we have the 10th and 12th scores. So IIM Indore considers 10th and 12th in the final selection criteria as well. So they are given 10% each. And finally you have a VAT, 20% of the weightage is given to VAT and 40% weightage is given to PI. As we can see, IIM Indore gives a lot of weightage to your 10th and 12th scores, no weightage to your graduation scores. So though you haven't performed very well in your graduation, but you have performed exceptionally well in your 10th and 12th, you have a very good chances of getting a shortlist from IIM Indore, provided you also score well in CAT. So these are the placement highlights for the MBA 2021 batch at IIM Indore. We also saw the batch profile and the selection criteria. We'll also be discussing about the detailed placement reports and batch profiles of all the other top MBA colleges in the coming videos. Thank you so much.